Hey girl. So I had a request. Somebody commented earlier on one of my videos wanting to look at the core support and figure out how I made it. This is the lightest core support you will ever have for a truck like this. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you what it is. So we've got this is actually a chromoly tube to there, and then it's a metal insert so I can slide it to get my width correct. But brought a piece of metal out there. There's a piece under here that's a flat stock, as well as here, to just make it strong. And I've got a rod there to there, which it popped out. I have to pull that and put it back in here. Then I've got just a round stock, comes over back to the frame because the front of the frame is cut off. But it's the same over here. Obviously I have some little tabs welded on here, and this is really solid considering. Same way over here, as you can see, simple, easy. And if you can find a core support lighter than this, it would blow my mind, even aluminum. I know they make some really good ones like Ron Rose or whoever it is. But also this is a good time to show off the new hot side. We got some bellows in it, so now this thing will flex and give, so when I take it off, it will move when I want it to. But shout out to my sponsor, Superior Floor Covering, for hooking me up with a new turbo. I'll go ahead and show that right quick. He has helped me out tremendously over the last year. If you're local, give him a shout out. He will come out and help you out, and that helps me out. As well as Fool's Gold and Terminator Pest Control. If you're local to Eastern Kentucky, give these guys a shout out. They will hook you up. This is a very short video. If there's anything else on this truck you want to see, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know. I read all comments. I read everything you all do. And say, if you want some more info, just ask. I'll show it. See you next time.